Well, I just bought this 2 days ago. I bought this Viarelli Agrezza 250, and yeah, this is my dream machine, really. So just gonna take this very quick. I'm gonna sell the pit bike, and instead I'm gonna ride this. So this was, I just need to do the calculations.
One eternity later.
So it was about $1,200 or 1,100 euros. It's 3 years old, so it's pretty new, the newest thing I got. 250 electric start, yeah. But I am not really friend with the clutch and gearbox yet, but yeah, we're getting there. So the pit bike is gonna be sold, and I'm gonna buy this. So I was looking, or I bought this already. So I was looking at buying a 4x4 ATV, but for the same money I would just get a broken ATV that I needed to fix, and I found this not far away from where I live, and yeah, that's it. I bought it. How could I afford it? Well, my parents paid a lot of this. Huge thanks to them. But it's I think it's the biggest Agrezza version, Viarelli Agrezza. So we got better suspension than the 125, bigger engine, bigger tires. Yeah. This is so fun to drive. The same night as we came home with this, I just went for a curve and I gave it a bit of throttle and it just whipped the rear end out. It's so fun. Okay, so I'm trying to finish this video today so I can edit tomorrow. My timeline of videos is not good, but I want to get some stuff out that's easier to edit so that we have videos. Anyway, as I might have said before, I was looking onto buying a 4x4 ATV utility quad, but I would get it broken for the same amount of money. And I've driven big ATVs, and this is way more fun to drive, and honestly that's what I'm gonna use it for. I got the MTD for utility purposes. Yeah. So, are there any problems with this? Nope. Not really. We're gonna fix the hose, the crankcase breather hose is off, but it doesn't affect it really. I don't think so. Maybe. And when the ignition is on, the lights go on because there's something wrong with the light switch. It doesn't do anything. But that is basically everything. The choke wire is missing, but it works because you can just do the same thing right onto the carburetor. Yeah. Just this is very different to drive compared to my pit bike. I didn't think it would be this big of a difference. I know it would be a big difference, but not this much difference. You can't take corners in the same way, but I'm starting to get the hang of it now. Yeah, apparently I'm holding my finger on the microphone. That wasn't good. Anyway, I'm gonna ride this a bit. I'm thinking if I can do some. Who are you? You think you can land on my ATV? You little stupid. Yeah. Do I have anything more to say for this video? I don't think so. More than that, this will appear a lot on the channel in the future. I got some ideas. Yeah. And I'm trying to make more videos. I really do. I need to stack up some of them because in the winter this is only a summer place and I can't drive this in town. I don't like to be in town at all, but it's kind of convenient to have 5 minutes to school, but I'd rather live out here actually. Yeah.